Do you want to know mysterious power from Orient? Today XCMG will give you an answer. The XC948 wheel loader is a 4-ton representative product of XCMG's advanced technology. Armed with Cummins engine, which has 149 kW of power and 2,200 revolutions per minute rotating speed, offering plenty of torque and rapid response to various operations. Convenience is an essential feature of XC948. It is assembled with two side opening doors, so the important components can be easily touched, such as replacing the filters, examining the engine, which are all convenient. Have you been bothered by replacing the hydraulic oil? You have to creep on the chassis and unscrew the tap. What a mess! While XC948 solves the problem very well. Look at the position of the drain. There's a tube connecting the oil tank, so you can discharge the waste oil very conveniently. Even if you are not familiar with wheel loaders, you can still have a mastery of maintenance. Furthermore, the optional SKF centralized lubrication system, which enables automatic lubrication at each hinge point after setting the time, for the convenience of maintenance. Look here, this is XCMG wide drive axle. The axle is fixed with maintenance-free blade wet brake pads, so you don't need change the brake intervals, extending the service life of the axle. The transmission torque converter system is composed of imported ZIF gearbox and high-capacity torque converter. After numerous adjustments, our technical staff developed the perfect condition adapted to Cummins engine. Our loader is provided with a standard 2.4 cubic meters bucket. There is a wide range of options, including blade bucket, tooth bucket, and reinforced bucket, meeting various conditions. So, are you interested in our wheel loaders? XCMG for your success!